susunod na awitin po ay pinamagatang Be With You, mga minamahal. Talagang ang bawat isa naman po sa atin, di ba, walang ibang goal kundi ang makasama ang ating pinakamamahal na Panginoong Jesus. Kaya sabi nga po, ipagtrabaho natin ang ating mga kaligtasan na may takot at panginginig. Kaya samahan niyo po kaming awitin ito sa mga nakakaalam ng awitin na ito.
Storm and raging sea, faithful you're my God, faithful you're my God. You're the glory and the lifter of my head. Your light, it fills my days. It leads me in your ways. Forever I surrender all to you. And I live to worship you. My Jesus, you're the only one for me. Nothing will ever take your place, my precious Savior. Who can stand between my Lord and me? And I live to honor you, and I long to my life an offering. Take me higher, draw me deeper. I give all to be with you. Savior of my soul, I confide in you through all my darkest moments. In you I find my peace, my comfort when I'm weak. I trust in you through storm and raging sea. Faithful you're my God, faithful you're my God. You're the glory and the lifter of my head. In you I find my life, it fills my day. Leads me in your ways. Forever I surrender all to you. And I live to worship you. My Jesus, you're the only one for me. My Jesus, you're the only one for me. Nothing will ever take your place, my precious Savior. You can stand between my low and heaven, and I live to honor you. My Jesus, my life and offering, take me higher, draw me deeper. I give it all to be with you, and I live to worship you. My Jesus, you're the only one for me. Nothing will ever take your place, my precious Savior. Who can stand between my Lord and me? And I live to honor you, and I long to bring my life an offering. Take me higher, draw me deeper. I give it all to be with you. Take me higher, draw me deeper. I give it all to be with you.
Ang pinakamataas po na pagpupuri, pagpapasalamat ay tanging sa ating pinakamamahal na Panginoong Jesus po lamang.